This is a room tour of our Deluxe Overwater Bungalow at the Conrad Bora Bora Nui, and we had room 203. So you're given a wristband upon check-in to access your room. So here is the entryway with a nice tall mirror, and then you have the couch. And you're given a complimentary beach bag on your first day, which was nice. On the left side of the bed, you have a universal plug. Same thing on the right side of the bed, along with all the light switches. And you have a remote to access the TV, which is located at the foot of the bed. On the TV, you can access all of the menus for the restaurants. And there's even a compartment on the left side of the TV if you want to plug in like your Chromecast or a video game console. Next you have the minibar area, and you're given those 2 bottles of water at the top. Those are complimentary water bottles that are restocked to your room every day. And so we would take out some items from the fridge and throw those in there to keep them cool. And then you have the closet area along with a little vanity. Then we have the bathroom with 2 sinks and a tub, and the infinity mirror. And in the shower you have the option for a rain shower or an adjustable head shower. Here are the amenities. And in the bathroom there is a converter. I was unable to get this to work for my steamer, but if you do use it, hopefully you have better luck. I was still able to use our steamer with the round plug adapter that we have, since we have a dual voltage steamer. Upon arrival, we were given a bottle of still water, a bottle of sparkling water, and a box of chocolates. Then on the balcony you have 2 lounge chairs, a table with 2 regular chairs, and 2 hammocks. We were upgraded to this Deluxe Overwater Bungalow from the Lagoon View suite, thanks to our Diamond Status that we have from the Hilton AMEX Aspire card. Check out our referral link for that card in the description. If you want to learn more about how you can book a room like this using points, be sure to subscribe.